Hi, I'm Nicole Tan from Isuzu Balakong from S3 Prestige Auto Seri. Good afternoon, good evening, good day. So as for now, I'm going to teach you how to use the Apple CarPlay. So this one you need to click here, Bluetooth, add device, search for device. So on my side, I'm gonna on. Okay, it found me. So I already on my Bluetooth. Okay, click. Waiting for pairing. So you see, pair. The number is the same. So I click pair. Pair. Okay. And then it asks me allow contact and favorite sync. Allow. Okay. With Nicole Tan iPhone works with Apple CarPlay. Would you like to enable CarPlay? Yes. So it's already CarPlay device has been connected. Okay. So it's connected. So when it's connected, right here, I press home. So I click here, Apple CarPlay, click, and it will load the same like this one. So it will display. So now I'm going back. Okay, I'm going back to my showroom. So I'm gonna click. Okay, now hi, Nicole Tan from Isuzu Balakong. So I'm gonna teach you how to use this one. I'm going back to my showroom. So at destination to recent search, because I went to okay, Isuzu Balakong. I'll click. You also can key in. So now I'm gonna start.
Head west, then turn left.
So you can see that I'm going back using Google Map. So it will be displayed here, and then on your side, your phone, right? Let me show. My Google Play will display like this. It won't same like this one, but it will display like this. If I click exit, here will be the same. You're gonna exit. So you just ignore this and focus on this. That's all. For the Google Play, Apple Google CarPlay, and for this one, I'm gonna already teach you all about the Google Map. So next time, I'm going to teach you about Google Waze. Thank you for watching. Click subscribe if you like. Thank you.